It's actually one of our last weekends in Boston, so we decided to go to a tea house that's in the Boston Public Library, and you need a reservation beforehand. And luckily we were able to get one yesterday. So we're headed over there for some tea, and then we'll probably walk around the city a little bit and just soaking in all of the vibes that will not be there in San Francisco. Also, I'm using my phone to film today because my camera ran out of battery, but I'm just wearing like this midi pleated skirt that I got in India actually. And then I'm wearing this necklace that's from Majuri, I believe. And then these earrings are Francesca. This is the fit, and let's go have some afternoon tea. Okay, so I ordered some things from Beauty of Joeson, and I thought we could do a little unboxing together. Like literally one of my favorite sunscreens, and as you can see, I'm like running really low, and so I needed to restock. I got oh no, I guess I didn't. I got a 2-pack of the Relief Sun Rice and Probiotic Sunscreen. I love it so much. It's super lightweight. Yet it's moisturizing on my skin because I have pretty dry skin. It's supposed to have 30% of rice extract and other grain extracts, and it provides moisture and nourishment to the skin, and it is like really good at protecting your skin. I used to have, and maybe you can still see, but I have a lot of sunspots on my cheeks, and so that completely cleared up, honestly. And then this one is new, and I'm super excited about it. It's supposed, well, I don't know how new it is, but it's new to me. Ginseng Moist Sun Serum. And I'll do a little. It just looked super lightweight for the summer, so it got me really excited. So this is supposed to be a lightweight alternative because sunscreens can be oily or leave a white cast, so this claims to not do any of those things. And it says that it's infused with ginseng extract, which provides anti-aging and helps improve wrinkles and nerves. And it's supposed to be moist and light for like a daily sunscreen, which are all things I love, especially like in the summer when we're out sweating. It's so nice to have a lightweight sunscreen. I also got this cleansing oil, which I love their packaging, by the way. They're so like minimal and pretty. This is what the cleansing oil looks like. I'm super excited for this. I needed a new cleanser, and I've been looking for a cleansing oil, and it's supposed to kind of emulsify into the water and remove makeup. It's supposed to have a subtle calming scent, transforming your skincare routine into a peaceful ritual, which I love that. It's using soybean oil as a base ingredient to gently dissolve dirt, waste, makeup residues, and that accumulate on the skin. And then lastly, they gave me these cute little samples, which I got like this little sample pack, and then they also gave me this light on serum to test out. It's also included the little 10 ml version of the sunscreen that I love so much, and it's perfect for traveling. We'll let you guys know how those products are, but I already like swear by that sunscreen. I love it. So I literally move in like 10 days, you guys, which is crazy to me. And I start in like 12 days. And I'm so excited, and I'm about to pack one suitcase just to get some stuff out of the way, and done right now, so that, you know, as the days approach, I don't get more nervous and I have time to spend with my friends and with my family. So yeah, I'm about to pack all of like my work clothes and things that I would probably be wearing like to work right now, and then I have another suitcase that I'm taking with me for like the more casual stuff.